Hi guys, welcome back to Less Expensive Fix. So today's video we're gonna talking about Mini Cooper. A lot of people they have issue with Mini Cooper, especially with the transmission, CVT, EP program. Every time you put the car on drive, reverse, keep short EP. What that mean that EP? So this video gonna explain everything and how you gotta fix this problem an easy way. And guys, if you like this video, don't forget like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Like that, we'll keep showing more tricks. Also, I can speak 3 languages. I can speak French, English, and Arabic. Anyone in the comments section, you want more explanation about that, I can speak all these languages. Arabic, French, and English. By the way, from Morocco, so this is my channel. So to begin, what it mean EP on the program every time you should put the car on drive. EP is an emergency program. So that means you have to take the car to a specialist who has computer from BMW. So he has the program, so you have to ingest your transmission. Your shifter, you need to ingest to program the transmission one more time. It's not a big program, just we have to shift it. And you did that process, you have to do it. It's happened before for me for my car, and my friend has a special computer, so he did it for me, so the EP disappeared. So this one morning, many people, as soon as they see EP, they get scared, you know what is going on. But he trying to take it to a regular mechanic. No, you have to take it to a BMW certified, has computer or OBD to have access to the transmission TCM and check the process, how we get a program this process, because there is a process you have to do it. You have to go to the TCM program sites, and you have to go to ingest the transmission shifter. So here gotta be start shift each gear by time, and the computer keep telling them what you should do exactly to fix this problem. And after you gotta reach the XP, that means it's time to drive the car and reach some exact mileage. I think it's like gonna be 60 miles an hour. Like that, the transmission, you gotta be adjust yourself, and the car gotta be start drive normal. So many people be having this problem. I see many videos about it, and no one explain what that means. EP. So EP is an emergency. E is the emergency. P is a program. Simple. Emergency program. So this is why guys have to take the car to the dealership or take it to someone is a specialist with BMW, has a special tools so he can reach the transmission system. So this only way guys you gotta do it. And don't take it to any other mechanic, because you gotta be wasting your time, wasting your money, and never gonna be done. And the mechanic today, you go to, oh, I don't know how I'm gonna do that. And this is like even like 1 hour job or 2 hours at the dealership or any mechanic certified from BMW. So this is why guys, I will try to do this video to explain everything what you should do. And don't get scared, it's not transmission issue, it's not a big problem, it's just like the same like an airbag. When Mini Cooper reached, I think it was 90,000 miles, this is what happened for my Mini Cooper, and it happened for my mom car too, has a Mini Cooper. As soon as she reached 90,000 miles, she has this problem. She has this problem, the same thing like an airbag. So the airbag, you reach a couple of mileage, and the airbag light's gotta be showing up. So you have to take it to the dealership, you gotta do it for free. But the difference between them, transmission, you cannot do it for free. If the car stays on a warranty, yes, you can do it for free. But remember, when you pass 60,000 miles, you have no warranty on the car. But if there is recall on the transmission, dealership should do it for free. But screw, people doesn't know how to do it. When you call the dealership, ask for warranty, and dealership pretty much don't give him his warranty or the recall, because you're talking with the wrong people. Every time you call dealership for anything recall, don't speak with regular customer service. Ask for warranty departments like that, you gotta give you your warranty, because the warranty department has nothing to do with sales. When you speak with regular customer service, he's a salesman. He want to make money. He don't care about your warranty or your recall. So he want to make money. He want to make profits. So this why I ask for warranty departments. Then you gotta start talking with the right people, and you have to find information from online, Google, whatever. They gotta give you everything about your car and how you gotta be fixed. If there is many recall for that model from what kind of year to other year, that's why how you gotta be fixed your problem. But if there is no recall, so all you have to do for the EP, take the car to someone specialist with Mini Cooper or BMW, and he has the tools, and explain to them what you want to do with the car. I have an EP, I tell them I want a program and just my transmission program. This is what that means for the EP. So as soon as you do that, the car will go drive normal again with no issue. And this is how that go, guys. And I try many things to do, like explain more things, and we gotta try and do something different. So my car now have an issue with my Mini Cooper. Last time I drive the car, and the water go inside my car now and mess up all my electric things. So this is what I gotta try to do a video about it, how we gotta be fix it. It's gotta be a tough video, it's gotta be a big job, but we're gonna try everything so we can fix this car, and we'll show you what we did exactly. And guys, thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel. Like that, we can show you more tricks. Thank you so much.